It is time for beach day number 60, and today I am on the most central beach in Stockholm. This is Långholmens Klippbad, located on the island of Långholmen. That's located between Södermalm and Kungsholmen. Here you can see the sign for the public beach that is owned by Stockholm City, and there are two sides of the beach that currently one is under shadow and the one has sun, and currently it is 7:30 a.m. and I am today out for a morning beach adventure. I took today my Ghost, my hybrid cycle, and to get here it took me 7.7 kilometers from my home. And yes, we have quite okay morning, 12 degrees Celsius, because it's gonna get a bit warmer later today. And the temperature in the water here is 18 degrees Celsius. And this is obviously Mälaren. And we can see also here Slussen, that's only 1.5 kilometers maybe from here. That was reopened for the pedestrians with a nice walking part of it. And we can see Mälaren on that side, and also Stadshuset. So that's Kungsholmen. And also the Västerbron, the bridge that connects Södermalm and Kungsholmen, that goes right over Långholmen, this island. That's fairly uninhabited. There are a few houses here and there, but there used to be a prison on this island, on the other side of the island. That's currently a hotel, so you can sleep, so you can pay to sleep in a former prison, if that makes any sense. But it's quite cozy. I haven't been there, but I know people that have been there and mentioned that it was amazing experience, at least. Beach day 60, I'm so happy. And here we can see also a plane that is, and here a plane that is going down towards Bromma, the central airport in Stockholm. The main one, Arlanda, is quite far from Stockholm, like 50 kilometers. But there is one that is closer to the city that is planned to be closed also. Or actually it is quite still a question mark, because first the main airport needs to be built up to cater for those flights from the smaller one. Alright, then let's take a swim. I'm doing today a morning swim because I'm busy later today and I won't be having time. So it's good sometimes to start also the day with a swim, and especially in a morning like this where you can see the central Stockholm and just enjoy in the moment here. The bottom here is sandy, despite being a cliff bad, which means rocky beach. The rocky part is on the other side, to be fair. There is also here one rock, but you can't use it that much. Yes, all right, we continue. And here there are many boats that pass by as well. As in Slussen over there, it is where the Lake Mälaren and Baltic Sea meet. So it is where the water is being stopped so that there is no movement between the salty and the sweet water. And there is like a system there so that the water doesn't mixes for the natural wildlife reasons, obviously. Cool, now let's then take a swim, because here it is so nice, it is sandy, and I have this wonderful view that I can see. So let's go! That's wonderful. Wonderful morning swim from Långholmens Klippbad. Definitely. Let me show you a bit around as well. And also you can see the beach from here as well, how it looks like. At least the one part of the beach that's facing towards the sun in the morning. The other one on the other side has some sun later in the evening. Cool. Then thank you so much for watching this morning swim from Långholmen in Stockholm on my beach day number 16 in Sweden this year, 2024. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.